Exercise 1 4. Question number 4. Show that the function f mapping n to n defined by f of x is equal to 2x minus 1 is 1 1 but not on 2. Solution. First write domain. Here domain is given. Here function is f mapping n to n, means this n is first set, this n is second set. N means we know that set of all natural numbers. This n also set of all natural numbers. Therefore domain is n, codomain is also n. Therefore write domain and codomain. Given the domain n is equal to set of all natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. And the codomain again n is equal to set 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Then take given equation. This is the equation. F of x is equal to 2x minus 1. Also given f of x is equal to 2x minus 1. Then take the values of x from domain. Here this is domain. We can take x is equal to 1, x is equal to 2, x is equal to 3, x is equal to 4, etc. Then substitute here. Here take 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. First f of 1. Here f of 1 means substitute x is equal to 1. Here also. Here we can substitute x is equal to 1. Therefore 2 into 1 minus 1. Then simplify. 2 into 1 is 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. This is the value of f of x or y. This 1 belongs to n. This n is second set, codomain. This 1 belongs to the codomain n, this n. Here 1 lies here. Therefore we can write 1 belongs to this n. Then next value, x is equal to 2. F of 2 is equal to, here x is equal to 2. We can substitute x is equal to 2 here. 2 into 2 minus 1 is equal to 2 into 2 is 4. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. 3 belongs to n. Here this n is codomain. This 3 belongs to this n. Then next value 3. Substitute x is equal to 3. 2 into 3 minus 1. Here 2 into 3 6. 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. 5 also belongs to the second set n. Here 5 is there. Therefore we can write 5 belongs to this set. Then next value 4. F of 4 is equal to, substitute x is equal to 4 here. Here we get 2 into 4 minus 1. 2 into 4 is 8. 8 minus 1 is equal to 7. This 7 also belongs to the second set n. This is second set or codomain. Here 7 is there. Therefore we can write 7 belongs to this n. Then here we can substitute next values 5, 6, etc. Then we will get the values of y here. Now here therefore given function can be written as f is equal to 1 comma 1. First element is 1 comma 1. Then second, that means x comma y. Second 2 comma 3. Then 3 comma 5, 4 comma 7, etc. Here we can write the set of ordered pairs. Therefore given function f is equal to 1 comma 1, 1 comma 1, 2 comma 3, 3 comma 5, 4 comma 7, etc. Then here if the number of elements in the domain is equal to the number of elements in the range in a function, then that function is called 1 1 function. Here write the range also. Here range is equal to, take these values 1, 3, 5, 7. Or take second values here 1, 3, 5, 7, etc. Therefore here range is nothing but Here the range is equal to the set 1, 3, 5, 7, etc. Now, if the number of elements in the domain is 4, if it is 4, then the number of elements in the range is 4. Here number of elements, if the number of elements is 4, then number of elements in range is 4. If it is 5, here we will get 5 elements. If it is 10, here we will get 10 elements. That means in this case we can write, that is, the number of elements are equal. Here number of elements are equal. If it is 4, here 4. If it is 10, here 10. That means generally we can say the number of elements are equal. Otherwise, we can say each element in the domain has different images in the codomain. Here, each element in the domain has different images in codomain. Here, these elements are different. Each element has different images in codomain. Then we can say here, therefore, given function is 1, 1 function, or given one function is 1, 1. Then, but it is not onto function. What's the reason? Since the number of elements in the codomain is not equal to the number of elements in the range. Here, number of elements in codomain. This is codomain. Number of elements in codomain is unknown. Actually, it is infinite. We don't know the number. But here, odd numbers, only odd numbers in range 1, 3, 5, etc. Therefore, here both odd and even numbers are there. But here only odd numbers. Therefore, the number of elements in codomain is not equal to number of elements in range. Therefore, we can write here, the number of elements in the codomain is not equal to the number of elements in the range. This is the condition for not onto. Therefore, here we can write given function is not onto function, since the number of elements in the codomain is not equal to the number of elements in the range. Proof.